Okay, so to start, you are going to open your computer and download and open the Mega X. And then after this, you're going to open the files in Canvas and examine the chromatograms. You're going to scan through your chromatogram and find bases that have been labeled N. And then this means that the software couldn't make an automatic call. And if you see too many of these, or if your chromatogram fades away after a 30 or so base pairs, your sequence may have failed. And then otherwise check your N and make sure you can call the base as A, C, G, or T. And at the very beginning of your sequence, you should see a lot of N's and a lot of noisy peaks, because this is where your primer sat down, and then you're going to delete these noisy areas up until the point where your bases are nice and clean to call. And once you have cleaned and edited your whole sequence, reverse it if it is reverse sequence and add to alignment. And then check with your instructor if you need more assistance for this part. And then click the muscle alignment tool at the top of your alignment window to align your sequence. And then after that, you should see your forward start on the left and reverse start on the far right. And then after that, hopefully there are a few hundred base pairs in the middle where they overlap, and if not, you need to get rid of some of the sections that don't overlap very well and realign them. And then once you get your forward and reverse sequences to overlap, you want to combine your forward and reverse sequences into one sequence, and then after that, if there are places where the two files disagree, base your call on that one, and that has the cleanest chromatogram reading. And then you now have two complete 16s sequences, and then one for each of the unknown bacteria you isolated. And then you're going to select one of the files and hit the blast button at the top of your screen, and then you'll be able to tell what species you have, and then what about the other species.